Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and I have an unboxing today from Maggards. So let's see what we got here. Let's see here. There we go. Oh, I thought I ordered some samples too. Okay, I did. What's this? I ordered other samples. Well, okay. I thought it was. Oh no, I did not. I take it back. I did not. Okay. Well, I did get one sample. Let me get my contact or my glasses on here. Which sample is this? This is Fougere Gothique, which I believe was their #1 seller last year. Who makes it? Barrister and Man, Fougere Gothique, little mini spray bottle, super mini little small thing. So yeah, be doing that probably tomorrow. Okay, we gotta smell it. We gotta smell it. It's the only sample I got. Then I got something else here to show you. Oh, that's tiny. That's hard to hold and press. Oh, okay. Oh, as it dries down, the initial scent was a little different, but it immediately starts drying down. Little woodsy sweetness. Interesting. I want to get a full face of that and see what that's like. So I'm just going to put it back in the bag just to protect it, really. Put it up here with my shaving products. There we go, up on top of the shelf here. Now, also got a razor. So that's mostly what I got here. Parker adjustable. So yeah, I've not owned a Parker. So, and wasn't crazy about the what was that thing? The Merkur Future. So I wanted to try a different one. So this is also an adjustable. Inexpensive, not all that horrible price-wise. Okay, interesting way to box. Is it better to get out? I think it might be better to take it out the bottom. Let's try that. Oh no, it's the same on both ends. Okay. Oh, it slides out. Okay, I see. It slides out. A little tray. Little card to come with it. Okay. Some heft to it. Ooh. And I felt like it comes like the gray handle like I got, or just a regular silver handle. That is heavier than I expected for an adjustable. Let's see here. Of course, it adjusts from the bottom, but I believe you also unscrew it from the bottom. So yep, so the top cap comes off. And snug it in. Glasses on so I can see the numbers on this thing. Yes, there's a little dot right there. You can see a little dot on the handle. Get up closer to the camera, see if you can see that. See the numbers. So yeah, so it's got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it looks like. With little hash marks in between. So yeah, it's not click adjustable like the old Gillette Fat Boys or anything. It's just, but it's snug, so it's not like twist and easy until you get past that point. Then it turns easy to get the rest of the way to get the cap off. But in the adjustment part of that, it's snug, so you can tell it's gonna hold its position. So yes, that's intriguing. It goes to 5. I'm probably gonna start it on a 3 just to try it. Or maybe a 5 on the first pass, just to see that. We'll see. That's a brand new razor. Maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I'll save that for a future shave, but we'll see. Let's see. Okay, little lint on the top. There we go. Got that off of there. So it's not a shiny razor. You can tell it's a bead blast finish. Yeah, it's not really what I would call smooth at all up on the top cap. But down here on the bar where your face is going to come in contact, it looks more normal. Kind of see that up close and personal. See how that looks. And you can tell it's going to have some blade gap, I guess. So that's going to be intriguing. So I'm really interested to see how this does. Yes. Oh, and I see it's lined up too. See, it's got lines on this end. Okay. So you get a little dash line here on the base, and you got a little dash there. So those must have to line up. Obviously, I just took it off and put it on. So yeah, it stayed lined up. But the other side does not have that. So yeah, so it does line up specifically like that. So I'm intrigued. I want to see what this is like. So, and how much of the blade is there any, does the blade extend on, the for the ends or not? So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that. And we'll see how this does. So hope you enjoyed that, guys, and go with God.